So guys, what's up? The Galaxy S24 Ultra is right around the corner. It is going to be launching on 17th of January and we have gotten so many leaks about the smartphone. Almost every aspect of the phone has been leaked before the launch, but the renders we have seen were a slightly bit inaccurate. Those renders showed us the smartphone with bigger bezels, which made the smartphone look a little bit outdated. But in real life, that is not the case. The bezels doesn't look that big in actuality. But before that, if you choose to sub to the channel, then that would be really appreciated. So guys, let's first see how the product is going to look like. So if we look from the back, this is fairly similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which was very similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. We have the same 5-lens setup on the top left, but this time the back panel is totally flat, which if you remember used to be slightly curved on the S23 Ultra and even more curved on the 22 Ultra. Up front we have the exact same story, this time it's flat. The S23 Ultra was very slightly curved and the 22 Ultra was even more curved. This time, because the front and the back panel both are totally flat, the side rails are pretty thick. These are probably the widest rails we have seen on a Samsung flagship ever. Now onto the part which I said we were wrong about. So in the renders we have seen till date, all the bezels were very tiny and symmetrical, but the metal frame bulged out slightly on the sides, which made the phone seem to have more bezels than what is actually present, especially in the darker color variants. Our iScat was very vocal about it, criticizing the decision by Samsung, but after the real smartphone pictures have surfaced, we can clearly see that the metal frame doesn't appear to be as huge as it looked in the renders. This is roughly the difference which you can expect going from looking at it in the renders and to actually holding the smartphone and looking at it with your own eyes. It's almost the half of what the renders made us believe. And this is very good news. I for one was not a huge fan of this design because to me the side bezels looked bad. It seemed to be evolving backwards.
It is evolving just backwards.
If we compare the official renders of the Note 10 Plus, the Note 20 Ultra with the 24 Ultra, we can see that the bezels seem to have gotten a bit bigger because this time we do not have any curves to hide the bezels. In the black phone model and in the bespoke options, because of the black frame it looked even worse, but I think it will be much more better looking in real life. These are the 4 main color options. My favorite is this titanium one, and there are 3 more bespoke Samsung.com exclusive colors. The Ultra phone is also quite heavy, much more than the 15 Pro Max. Even after the use of titanium, Samsung didn't shed much weight, only 3 grams, which is not noticeable. iPhone however shed 19 grams going from 14 Pro Max to 15 Pro Max, which is quite a jump. The Galaxy S24 Plus and the S24 are however lighter than the iPhone counterparts. Let me know guys, do you prefer the curved displays of previous Samsung Ultra smartphones or did they took the right step going in the flat direction? One major benefit of going flat is that screen protectors are much more easier to find and install. Hit the like button guys if you enjoyed this video and also subscribe for more such videos and I will see you in the next one.